What if I tell you that you can cook sustainably now without LPG or electricity? Today we are here to meet Abdul Kareem, who has come up with this concept called a rocket stove, with which you can, cook sustainably now with the help of coconut husk and other waste. So more than me saying this, let's just meet him and ask him how it actually works. This you see is the man behind the rocket stove. So we are going to start from the basic model, then to the advanced model, and he's going to tell us how it's going to work.
ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ബേസിക് മോഡൽ. ഇതിൽ പാചകം മാത്രം. പിന്നെ ഇത് സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ കുക്കിംഗ് സ്റ്റൗ ഉണ്ട് വിത്ത് ഗ്രിൽ, അൽഫാം, ഫിഷ് ഗ്രില്ലിംഗ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യാവുന്ന വേറൊരു മോഡൽ. ഇവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ വിറകിടേണ്ടത്. വിറക്, ചിരട്ട, വീട്ടിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന മാലിന്യങ്ങൾ, കത്തുന്ന എന്ത് സാധനവും നമുക്കിതിൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. അതിനുശേഷം ഒരു സ്വല്പം ഒരു 5 ml മണ്ണെണ്ണ ഒഴിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കർപ്പൂരം എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. എന്നിട്ട് തീ കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വെള്ളയിൽ കത്തി വീഴും. 4 mm ഷീറ്റ് വെച്ചാണ് ഇത് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് വളരെ പെട്ടെന്നൊന്നും പോകില്ല. ഒരുപാട് വർഷങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മാത്രമേ അതിൻ്റെ കംപ്ലയിൻറ്റ് വരുള്ളൂ.
So if you're thinking of some outdoor cooking or barbecuing for that matter, this is a perfect option for those of you who are into sustainable form of cooking. All those waste coconut husk and shells and newspaper and twigs and dry leaves, all that you have can be burnt and used as fuel instead of using LPG and other irreversible form of fuel. So this is a perfect option for those of you who are into outdoor cooking. So if you look at the base model with just cooking, it's 5,500 rupees. This one with the grill and the disbandable cooking range, that comes to 6,500 rupees. This one with the water heating system and cooking, it comes to 11,000 rupees. And moving on to the model, the advanced model for apartments and inside the kitchen, household, and people who cannot afford to have a lot of emission, this one comes to 20,000 rupees. But if you look at the features of this, there's not just cooking over here, there's also water heating and also an oven. So going back to the traditional way of baking, by just using coconut husk and fire and not a electrically operated oven, this is the best way to go. For all those bakers out there who wants to go back, revisit your roots, this is an option for you. If you look at this model, there's no elevated cooking range out here. It's a pit and the fire comes from here, and so the emission also stays inside and goes out through this spout. So if you look at the oven, it's a rather small oven, but it's deep, goes inside and goes from around 280 to 320 degrees Celsius. So you can very well bake a cake and even roast your turkey for that matter. So if you are wondering what the name of this brand is, or the name of this company, it's Eco Papel, and you can find it on Google and you can find their website. It's just coming up, but soon they'll be out and you can buy your sustainable form of cooking ranges from this company. So I think it's high time we all go sustainable for a better tomorrow.